Eye makeup tips. Achieve stunning looks with easy techniques. Eye makeup can transform your look, whether you're aiming for something dramatic or a soft, natural appearance. The eyes are often called the windows to the soul, so it's no surprise that mastering eye makeup is a go-to beauty skill. But for many, perfecting eyeshadow, eyeliner, and mascara can seem daunting. Fortunately, stunning eye makeup looks can be achieved without advanced skills or endless hours of practice. You can quickly create gorgeous eye makeup with the proper techniques and simple tips. 1. Start with a clean base. A smooth, clean base is essential for any makeup look, and your eyes are no exception. Begin gently cleansing your face to remove any oils, dirt, or previous makeup. Follow with an eye primer to help your eyeshadow adhere better and last longer. If you don't have a primer, a dab of concealer or foundation on your eyelids will work as a base. Pro tip: for oily eyelids, use a matte primer to help prevent creasing throughout the day. 2. Enhance your eyes with neutral shades. Neutral eyeshadow shades are a great starting point for beginners. Soft tones like beige, taupe, brown, and peach are versatile and can create subtle and bold looks. Apply a light, neutral shade all over your eyelid as a base. Then, use a slightly darker shade in the crease to add depth and dimension to your eyes. Pro tip: blend, blend, blend. Properly blending eyeshadow ensures no harsh lines, creating a smooth look. 3. Create a definition with eyeliner. The eyeliner is one of the most potent tools in eye makeup. A well-placed line can accentuate the shape of your eyes, making them appear larger and more defined. For a simple yet stunning look, try applying a thin line of eyeliner along your upper lash line. If you want something more dramatic, go for a winged eyeliner look. Pro tip: pencil eyeliner is easy to use and control for beginners. If you're more experienced, liquid eyeliner can give you a sharper, more defined line. 4. Mascara magic. For full, voluminous lashes. Mascara is a game-changer when it comes to enhancing your eyes. A coat or two of mascara can instantly open up your eyes and make your lashes look fuller and longer. For added volume, apply mascara to both the top and bottom lashes. Remember to curl your lashes beforehand for even more lift. Pro tip: to avoid clumpy lashes, wipe any excess product off a wand before applying and use a zigzag motion when applying mascara. 5. Experiment with bold eyeshadow looks. Once you're comfortable with neutral eyeshadow, don't be afraid to experiment with bolder colors. Vibrant hues like emerald green, electric blue, or deep purple can pop your eyes and add an exciting touch to your makeup look. When trying bold eyeshadows, keep the rest of your makeup neutral to let your eyes be the focal point. Pro tip: if you need help incorporating bold shades, try using them as eyeliner or in the outer corner of your eyelid to add a subtle pop of color. 5. Use false lashes for extra drama. If you want to take your eye makeup to the next level, consider adding false lashes for that extra volume and drama. False lashes are available in various lengths and styles, so you can choose a pair that suits your desired look. They may take some practice to apply, but the results are worth it. Pro tip: if you're new to false lashes, try using individual lashes or clusters for a more natural look. Apply a thin layer of lash glue and wait a few seconds before it becomes tacky before placing the lashes on. 6. Highlight the inner corners. To make your eyes appear even more significant and brighter, apply a small amount of highlighter or a light, shimmery eyeshadow to the inner corners of your eyes. This simple step will help open your eyes and add a radiant look. Pro tip: you can also use a soft pencil eyeliner on your waterline to brighten your eyes, mainly if you're looking for a wide-eyed, youthful effect. 7. Perfect your brow game. Your brows are essential in framing your eyes and completing your eye makeup look. Start by brushing your brows upward with a spoolie to shape them. If you have sparse brows, lightly fill them with a brow pencil or powder to define their shape. Pro tip: choose a brow product that matches the color of your natural brows for a more natural finish. Don't overdo it, subtle definition is often the best choice. 8. Master the smoky eye look. The smoky eye is a classic, sultry look that can be achieved with just a few steps. Start by applying a neutral base color over your eyelids. Then, use a darker shade in the crease and blend it outwards. Finally, use black or dark brown eyeliner on the top lash line and smudge it for that signature, smoky, effect. Pro tip. For a softer smoky eye, use brown or deep burgundy shades instead of black for a less intense finish. 9. Don't forget to set your makeup. To ensure your eye makeup stays put all day, set it with a light dusting of translucent powder or a makeup setting spray. This will lock your makeup in place, preventing creases and smudging. Pro tip. Setting sprays with a dewy finish can give you a fresh and glowing look, while matte sprays are perfect for oil control. Conclusion: eye makeup doesn't have to be complicated to achieve stunning results. Using these simple techniques and tips, you can enhance your natural beauty and create eye-catching looks for any occasion. Whether you're keeping it natural with soft neutrals or going bold with a smoky eye, the key is to have fun with your makeup and experiment to find the styles that work best for you. So, pick up your favorite eyeshadow palette, eyeliner, and mascara, and start creating your perfect eye makeup look today.